I'm not looking at the camera because something is missing on today's set, and I know that if you've been following me since 2018 and you just, there's always something that will blow your mind, like the roses. They make my heart pound and pound and pound. Tachycardia if you're from the health industry. Anyway, let's get into it. I know you're just coming across this video now. Hey everyone, my name is Agape Charity. Welcome to Agape Show. Powerful destiny within your own uniqueness. If you're new to this channel, platform, whatever you want to name it, just press that notification bell, the subscribe button. And if you've been here with me since day one, or since, I don't know, I appreciate you, and you are the reason why I keep running and chasing my dreams. And to all my girls out there, to all my family, guys, I appreciate it. Anyway, on today's video, I will be talking about the face mask. Yes, we are back again. If you haven't watched the other popular video, a lot of people loved it. Just check it on the description box. Avocado Miracle Skin. Today, I'll show you how to do the organic banana face mask. So before we go on my face, I'm just gonna talk about briefly the benefits of what these fruits they have. So today we're focusing on the banana. That's why I'm wearing a yellow sweater, and we try to compromise here. So the banana, I have it here. Like, for me, I'm a big fan of saving the coins. I'm not gonna chuck it in the bin. So I was like, let me not chuck it in the bin. I'll save it up for something. Or you can always make banana cake. So the banana, it contains potassium. It's rich in potassium. It also has the vitamin B6. It also has the vitamin C and traces of vitamin A. So it promotes, if you've got a dry skin, according to the research that I've done, it also promotes everyone with different types of skin, like different skin type. You can be oily, you can be dry, like those are the type of skins that are, people can feel aging. It also promotes like the collagen as you age. Apparently it's those who are in the health industry, it loosens the collagen. So what the banana does on the nutrients, they pretty much promote the collagen. It makes it tighter and stuff like that. And also if you suffer from acne, you can also use the banana antioxidants. They promote that, and they make it also works by reducing, if you've got acne, it reduces the inflammations, and the antimicrobials, it also treats acne lesions. And another thing I love about it is that it increases the collagen production as well. If it makes your skin hydrated as well, especially there's so many rows of like the banana, like the roll. Today we have I try to use the organic, so we're gonna use the organic, and we're gonna use the orange and the banana. So let's get into it. So today I'm not wearing any makeup, so make sure that you do this as part of self-care. So I've got this banana. I'm not gonna use all of it because it's just gonna be, and my plate is back again. So we're gonna start preparing. All right. So the first thing you need is to pretty much get this, the first step is to pretty much get banana. Mine was in the fridge, so make sure that it's not gonna be in the fridge. Just take it out and then leave it for like 30 minutes or an hour, because it's gonna be cold since we're in winter right now. Alright, so I'm just gonna in the fridge. Just take it out and then leave it for like 30 minutes or an hour, because it's gonna be cold since we're in winter right now. Alright, so I'm just gonna, so it has so many nutrients. So I want you to comment below, like, what type of face mask would you like me to do, because I'm always looking forward to do pretty much. So what you do, you can see here, that's the banana. I'm not gonna use the entire banana because my face is small, and just gonna use the back of my fork to actually mash it. It's actually I grew up eating a lot of bananas, but if you've got low potassium, you can take bananas to promote to increase your potassium level. I'm pretty sure this is good. It doesn't matter, it doesn't have to be fine, but it's good. So you're gonna use it doesn't matter, it doesn't have to be organic. So you're going to use 1 teaspoon. All right, so yesh, I know this is, oh, this is good. I'm just gonna use 1 spoon. All right, of honey. If you've got any brand of honey, it's fine. If you're allergic, it also has some side effects, you know, the bananas. You can call anaphylaxis, like itchiness and stuff. So if you're allergic to bananas, please don't use it. Don't, this face mask is not for you. All right, or you can compromise, you can just use, I'll do another version, so just be aware. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put this, my fork over here. I'm just gonna use my spoon. So now I've mixed it with the honey, like it's coming really good. Mind you, I haven't made this, and I've never made this face mask. So my favorite one is the avocado one, but and also just use half orange. All right, so you're gonna mix it with the orange juice, so you can see it there. I'm not gonna use too much because, all right, I'm just gonna mix it together. This is how it looks. Oh my gosh, it's actually smelling nice. I don't want to eat. I know some people who know me, they're like, oh, she's gonna eat it on the set. She's gonna eat it. No, I'm not going to eat it. Alright, this is gonna be fun. So what I just came with some few paper towels, and I don't want to mess up, so someone will be laughing. I'm not gonna put it here, it's okay. I'm just gonna put it on my lip, and then I wish you could see me, but it's okay. And then I'm just gonna put my hair at the back. I didn't wear any makeup, so it's good. I only did my eyebrows, so I'm gonna try. You know, let's see how it goes. I think I've made it to, it should be fine. So I'm trying to like not touch. I think I made it too thin, but we'll see. Yeah, I like this one because it doesn't make me look funny. Oh, it's actually, what I like about these home-made face masks, they are so smooth. I like products that are so light to your skin. And actually I can smell the honey is dominating. Like, maybe I should have made it not too thick, so I'm just gonna add the mask. Try to not put in your mouth because you might not like the sweetness of it, to make it thick. So that, but anyway, who cares? It's my own version. Let me come closer so that you can see me. Don't laugh at me, okay? So what you're gonna do is gonna make sure you start with the area that you're comfortable. Yeah, at least it's not as cold as I expected it's gonna be because it was in the fridge. I like this one because it doesn't show my avocado. Like, you know, with the avocado, I was green, but this one, I want to tell. Oh my god, I need to make sure that I don't put it in my, oh yeah, it's better. What I was saying is make sure, and then on my forehead. It doesn't matter if it has lumps. So after applying it, you have to stay with it for 15 minutes. So I'm trying to apply. You see, just half a banana. I just used a quarter of a banana. So just gonna come closer. Gosh, it's gonna come to my eye. Okay. up my eyebrows, you know, girl got a pretty hair. So I'm just gonna make sure that I've put everywhere. So guys, I'll be back in 15 minutes. So I have to stay in 15 minutes. Like, and then you need to rinse off with what do you call it? You need to rinse off with lukewarm water, not cold, not hot, just hot water. So this is how the face mask look. It's like I got pimples around, but I did my best. I like how it's smelling and stuff. So I'll see you in about 10, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, okay? Hold on, see you soon. Let me just go and just wait for 15 minutes. Okay. Woo. So today it's I just came with an idea. I didn't wanna go and wash it and stuff. So let's just do it. We started this and we finished this together as a mighty team. Don't have me because I'm very and beautiful. Anyway, alright, so my 15 minutes are up. I was just walking around. If you want to kill one bird with two stones, you can pretty much relax and listen to your favorite music, worship music, whatever you like. Or you can eat your banana and finish it off. Okay guys, I just came with my favorite bucket. So I've got a lukewarm water. So I'm gonna, hopefully it's gonna work out. So I've got my towel to dry it off. So I put my hair back, and also you can see beauty, you have to sacrifice. So I'm just gonna tilt it a little bit and then we're gonna wash it off. So you can make sure it's not too hot for safety measures, otherwise hey, we end up sustaining a burn. So I'm just gonna rinse it off. It's actually easy. It's actually so easy to rinse it off. And close your mouth because you don't want the bananas to like, but for me, I like a makeup that's light and easy to remove. So I would say use a lukewarm running water, okay? I like the smoothness it is to the skin, and it's refreshing. I would do anything for you guys. Like, honestly, I never thought I would actually remove this face mask in front of you. But you have to work, you have to, you know, make it work. I think I'm almost done, so I'm gonna use it. And always close your eyes, otherwise it's nice and warm. Normal. I'm almost done. Oh God, things we do for YouTube. It's worth it because I like it. So I'm just gonna dry a little bit. Oh my God, I can actually feel my skin hydrated, and that I didn't use so much amount. And oh wow, wow. Oh yeah, I left the other side, but anyway, I have to wash this thoroughly because I end up removing my makeup, my eyebrow. But generally, this is how my skin looks. Okay, I'm gonna put the bucket away. Oh gosh. So this is how my skin looks. Don't know if you can see it. Like, there's a difference, right? Imagine if you do this every day or 3 times a week. It's gonna be, your pores, they're gonna feel hydrated. That's the power of a banana. Even though we eat, but sometimes you can use it for external or tropical use for those who are in the health industry. Like, I can feel, I think this one, it has to like, it's different from the one that I had with the banana. With the banana, it was refreshing. This is it's tropical kind of vibe. But guys, I hope you enjoyed it. I will definitely tell you, go and try it. If you've got that banana you're gonna chuck away, maybe save a little bit. You just need a quarter because it just happens to be good. So this is how I look. my skin feels hydrated. That's what I can say. It feels hydrated. So I'm trying to like do it for the next, when I have time one day, I'll just do it and then just show you those face masks. If you do it for like a week, how does it look like? But for me right now, I feel refreshed. I feel like I've been at a tropical area, but Agape Charity talks too much. But thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that notification bell and the subscribe button, and you can always do this anytime. The organic banana face mask. Until next time, and remember, powerful destiny within your own uniqueness. Bye bye. About 5 minutes left. I'm joking. It's just a minute, so I was just listening to the music and I walked around the room. Anyway, don't hate me because I'm beautiful. Anyway.